Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install Windscribe VPN on PC. Before we start installing Windscribe VPN on your computer, I want to let you know about NordVPN. NordVPN is faster, more secure, and has a much larger server network than Windscribe. It also offers stronger privacy protection and better streaming support. If you want the best VPN experience, there is a link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. Now let's go through how to install Windscribe VPN on your PC. First, open your web browser. In the search bar, type Windscribe VPN and press Enter. You should see the official Windscribe website in the search results. Click on it to open the homepage. Once you are on the website, look for the Get VPN section. Now you will see two options, one for Windows and one for Chrome extension. Select the version for Windows. Then click on Download. The website will start downloading the installation file. Wait for the download to complete. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder. Find the file you just downloaded. It will usually have a name like windscribesetup.exe. Double-click on it to start the installation process. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes. The Windscribe installer will open. Follow the on-screen instructions. Wait for the installation to finish. When it is done, you can check the box to launch Windscribe immediately and click Finish. The Windscribe app will now open. If you already have a Windscribe account, enter your username and password, then click Log In. If you do not have an account, click the Sign Up option and create one. Once logged in, you will see the main Windscribe dashboard. You can select a server location from the list and then click the power button to connect. After a few seconds, you will be connected to the VPN and your internet traffic will be encrypted. That is how you install and set up Windscribe VPN on your PC. But remember, while Windscribe works, NordVPN offers much faster speeds, stronger security features like threat protection, and more than 5,000 servers worldwide. It is also more reliable for streaming services and bypassing geo-restrictions. If you want the most secure and smooth VPN experience, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.